Balraj Sahni, the iconic actor who transcended borders. In the annals of Indian cinema, few actors have left as indelible a mark as Balraj Sahni. Renowned for his versatility, depth of expression, and unwavering commitment to his craft, Sahni's legacy continues to inspire generations of actors and filmmakers, transcending borders and languages. Early life and education. Born on May 1, 1913, in Rawalpindi, British India, now in Pakistan, Balraj Sahni hailed from a distinguished family with roots in Punjab. His father, a civil servant, instilled in him a love for literature and the arts from a young age. Sahni pursued his education at Government College, Lahore, and later obtained a master's degree in English literature from Punjab University. Journey into acting. Sahni's journey into acting was a gradual one, shaped by his passion for storytelling and his keen observation of human nature. He began his career as a teacher, but his love for the arts eventually led him to pursue acting as a profession. Sahni made his debut in Hindi cinema with the film Insaf in 1946, marking the beginning of a prolific and illustrious career. Versatility and range. One of Sahni's most notable attributes as an actor was his versatility and range. From intense dramas to light-hearted comedies, he effortlessly inhabited a wide spectrum of characters, bringing depth, nuance, and authenticity to each role he portrayed. Whether playing a downtrodden peasant, a noble patriarch, or a lovable everyman, Sahni's performances left an indelible impact on audiences and critics alike. Iconic performances. Throughout his career, Sahni delivered a series of iconic performances that solidified his status as one of Indian cinema's most revered actors. His portrayal of the compassionate and principled farmer in Do Bigha Zameen, 1953, remains one of the defining roles of his career, earning him widespread acclaim and a Filmfare Award for Best Actor. Sahni's collaboration with legendary filmmaker Bimal Roy yielded several memorable films, including Parinita, 1953, Sajata, 1959, and Bandini, 1963, in which he showcased his remarkable talent for bringing complex characters to life with subtlety and depth. Legacy and impact. Balraj Sahni's legacy extends far beyond the realm of cinema. As a socially conscious artist, he used his platform to shed light on pressing issues of his time, including poverty, social injustice, and communal harmony. His performances were often imbued with a sense of empathy and humanity, serving as a mirror to society and inspiring audiences to reflect on the human condition. Sahni's influence transcended borders, with his films being celebrated not only in India but also in countries around the world. His nuanced portrayals and universal themes resonated with audiences of all backgrounds, making him a cultural ambassador for Indian cinema on the global stage. Conclusion. Balraj Sahni's contributions to Indian cinema are immeasurable, his performances leaving an indelible imprint on the hearts and minds of audiences for generations to come. As we celebrate his life and legacy, we remember him not only as a consummate actor but also as a compassionate human being whose artistry continues to inspire and uplift us to this day.